Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today I'm going to talk about maybe giving up growing Asian pears. I spray in the spring for fire blight. This year was a little rainy, I had a hard time getting out. I did get one application in. You can see my trees are hacked almost to nothing because it just keeps occurring. And I know the advice is going to be the same bad advice I keep getting, and perhaps it's good advice. This tree, I don't know if you can see, is almost all black. But the advice here is you just cut back 12 inches past the fire blight and that gets rid of it. That might work in some places, but I'm finding here it seems like it just keeps spreading with the rain. So it's 70s, 80s, 90s, and then it's raining, and then I am actually sanitizing with alcohol wipes, still spreading. I'm cutting a foot past the infected areas, still spreading. I'm on trim number 4 here. I'm not sure how far back to trim. I'm almost to the point of just saying, screw it, let's just leave the tree and see what happens. I'm pretty confident it's gonna die though. But yeah, these used to be really healthy trees. Oddly enough, my little trees, this one's kind of dead here, it used to be a 3-in-1, but this one's doing okay. I trimmed that one about a month ago. And then we look at this tree, another little one, doing okay. But again, we'd made a trim in here. Every time I trim, it keeps coming further and further and further down. I really don't know what to do. I kind of feel like just giving up at this point, just because, I mean, you can trim all you want, but it doesn't seem to be stopping anything here in Texas this year. So anyways, that's kind of my update. Thanks for watching, and as always, until next time.